What's going on, everyone? I just got done editing all of our Disneyland videos and California Adventure videos. We had season passes for about a year, and on the rides I took my 4K gimbal stabilized low light camera. So for the next few weeks I'll be dropping those videos. So if you want to see what the ride's about, stay tuned and we'll take you on a POV adventure. Seeing fireworks, bud?
Is that the submarine that we're going to go with that?
Yeah, we're gonna go in the submarine and see the fish.
What is it?
Get down. Get down. Because he said that's the rule. Ooh, look at those ones, Nixon. Say fireworks? Yeah, we're going into the ocean. Well, here's the grand finale. Here's the grand finale. I don't care if you ruin it, business. I don't care if you ruin the shot. You're like, I need a break anyway. Thank you. Good, bud?
See the starfish?
Go, go, go. We gotta go to the end. Okay, we gotta get this chair right here. Look.
Yeah, I know, but I was about to grab his leg. I didn't know the real person.
You want to sit with brother right here? Pull it down. You guys can share a seat.
Where is it?
Oh. We're gonna look through these windows.
I want my own seat.
Okay, I'll put Hudson on my lap in a second. Let me.
What's out there? Out there, Dad. The starfish.
Wait, ready? Hey, Nixon, to the camera. Are we in the submarine?
Are we in the submarine?
No, you're not supposed to tell him that. I'm asking you, are we in the submarine?
Yeah!
Alright, start your butt.
Yeah, Hudson on your butt.
This is the captain speaking.
Okay, I brought my
Now that we're
seat with
underway,
me.
I'd like to welcome you on board. As the conditions of our voyage may be unpredictable, please remain seated at all
Oh, I
times.
saw a starfish, Dad. Did you see my starfish?
Stand by to
Do you
dive.
see all those starfish out there?
We're gonna dive right now. Look, we're going under.
Main induction closed. Pressure in the boat. Flood the main ballast tanks.
Do we see a starfish?
Let's take her down. Dive. Dive. Trim about diving planes, 3 degrees.
Dad, look at the my octopus I have in my hand.
10 fathoms.
And my crab, look at them both.
Speed 060 knots. Steer 30 degrees.
Whoa. We're at the bottom of the ocean now.
All head forward.
You think we see an octopus?
Do you see an octopus out there?
Coast
I guess we'll see.
towards open water.
Do you see one?
This is a
Do you
popular
see
spot
an
for
octopus out
divers.
there?
Yeah, watch out your window though.
I see an octopus, Dad. Look, I
know.
see one. Out my
Right
window.
up, 20 degrees.
Oh, I saw one out my window.
Look at the fish. Look at the fish. Look at your window. Stand up and look. You see fish? I see one.
Thanks. Stand by for weather watch.
Dad?
At destination today
That one that's eating coral?
a newly erupting deep water
That one we
volcano. Even here in Shells, we can see evidence of such geology.
I saw it.
Weird, there's a
You
volcano.
can tell by our surroundings that they can make some pretty dramatic changes to the landscape.
Look at the treasure chest right there. Look at it.
These remnants of an ancient civilization were hidden for centuries beneath the ocean floor.
What do you guys see?
What is that? What is
Hidden,
that?
unearthed by a
What is that thing
tremendous
right there?
volcanic event.
Looks like a.
What is that? What was it? What was it, Dad?
I don't know. What do you see?
I saw. Wait,
Steer 40 degrees.
there's a rock out like glittered from
Mind
SpongeBob.
your distance towards
You see Nemo yet?
As
Oh, look, I see a scuba diver.
lost community
You
behind.
see him?
We're about to enter a community of a
You
different
see him
kind.
scuba diving?
The coral reef.
No, not yet.
The colourful reef that surrounds us is a biological
crab up
unit
there,
that
look.
thrives in warm, shallow
You
waters.
see a crab?
It usually takes more than a year for a coral to grow.
That's yours.
An amazing fact when you consider that Australia's Great Barrier Reef stretches over 2,000 kilometres.
Oh, a crab came inside our submarine, Dad.
Look at, there's some starfish. You see the starfish?
Take it down fast and deep. All controls.
There's a starfish. Weird. I think he said, what is that?
Oh, Dad, what is that right there? A snake? Is that a snake?
It's like coral.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the big clam. Look at the big clam down there. See it with the big pearl?
The yellow one?
Yeah.
The one that was going like this?
We're approaching target depth, sir.
Level off the alternating valves.
Yeah.
Set course to 70 degrees true. Steady as she goes.
I see.
Cool. We're in the dark now. Oh, lobsters.
The fish world has always been considered a silent habitat. But now, thanks to remarkable advances in marine
Oh, there's a crab. There's a crab.
we can use instruments
What
such
was
as our
that
sonar
thing that went like
microphones
this?
to
That
actually
was a seal. Or an eel. Look, just keep looking. There's a lot. There's another one.
Is that an eel?
Yeah, did you see it?
Electric one?
Yeah.
Electric eel. Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
Oh, there's Nemo. Or no, that's.
There's Nemo.
There he is.
What if Nemo's running out that Nemo? What if it's tasty way? Sure, sure.
Over here, that's it.
Is that Dory right there? Dad, I have a toy like Dory. And a toy like
Look,
Nemo.
there's Nemo right there.
Oh, Nemo! Oh, oh! Ah! Yeah.
all heads down.
Oh, Mom! Who's that?
Bubbles.
It's like an undersea highway.
Are those bubbles?
Creatures can be
Yeah,
found
they're air
commuting
bubbles.
in this current, including the
Wait,
majestic sea
Wait,
turtle.
is that a show? Is this a show? Is this a show?
Welcome to the EAC, Vinnie Marlin.
Where would Nemo?
Where are you, Nemo? I am looking for my son.
I can help.
It's Nemo.
Where?
No, that's what I'm trying to find.
By who?
My son, Nemo. That.
I do.
We went on a huge adventure together.
Daddy,
Don't remember.
where's my toy?
We'll find her.
And my crab toy.
In the light, you're going to see it.
There's nothing I like better than canned food.
You do like it.
Don't worry, I'm not going to eat you, at least not all at once.
Oh, there's a shark.
Come on, Bruce, remember the pledge. Right then. I am a nice shark, not a mindless eating machine. People are friends, not food. Okay, mates, easy does it.
Where's my crab? Oh, I got it.
Okay, sit down.
Why didn't I drop it? A squirt? What are those twinkling things? I don't know. Race in there. Okay, go.
What are those, Nathan?
Dory, wait. What?
Those balls?
Reading lines.
I see them too.
Reach for the light.
It's getting closer.
See a scary fish?
Yeah, touch me.
It's me.
How do I know it's you? It could be anybody.
It's not anyone. It's me.
Do I know you?
Dory.
Talk about a small world. My name's Dory too.
Oh, what's that? It looks like.
Oh, me first. I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Jellyfish.
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking.
What's jellyfish in there?
There they are.
That's jellyfish.
You're good. And I'm thinking.
Jellyfish. And the next one, jellyfish.
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Stop waiting. Back to the party. Let's go.
I love parties. I found the hot tub.
It's not about finding hot tubs. It's about finding Nemo. Nemo, I found you. I was so worried.
What?
Did you guys notice the earlier movie?
No. I can't see it. No, I'm not there.
Nemo, say something.
Can we do it again, Dad? Huh? Can we?
Oh, of course. When fish can fly.
Oh, I found Chico.
Nemo! It's Nemo! Yay! Nemo! Hey, girl! We saw a huge volcano go kaboom! Oh, you made me eat! Hey, Dad! Should see me surf the volcano!
Oh, give me some food. Log it.
Dude! Nemo! Check out all the whales! Cindy Plankton, he says that whales are being krilled!
You want to go on the teapots?
Yeah, they're open.
Big ship for
They
the
make you
rain.
dizzy.
Reducing speed and proceeding to berth 29.
Why?
Do you like going on rides?
All ahead 1/3. Stand by the mooring lines. Now, folks, when the cabin lights come on, please stand and disembark to your right. Take small children by the hand and watch your step up the ladder. Please use the handrail. All ashore. All ashore, please. Check you later.
Okay.
And the crabs go in the dark.
What'd you guys think?
What do they think?
Oh, whatever you want to say. What'd you think?
Good.
It was good.
Yeah.